Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.